Oh, alright, welcome back. So, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a kit review. We're going to be reviewing the 28-70mm f3.5 to 5.6 Sony FE kit lens that comes with the Sony A7III. You might wonder why anyone would want to do a review of the kit lens, and two reasons. One, it's the only lens I've got because I've just got this camera, and also it's actually quite a relevant question because I'm going to go buy some lenses and I really need to decide whether I need to buy a mid-level zoom right now or if I should buy a telephoto, a wide, some primes, things like that, and build around the kit that I've already got, and then eventually, if this is good enough, just use it and then upgrade it when I've got enough money to do so. I won't give you too many boring technical numbers, specs, stats, things like that. Give you the basics, what you need to know. But what I'm really interested in is what can this actually do? Can it get creamy B-roll? Can it get, you know, good sharp images? This is going to be focused more on the video side of things. The price of this lens, everyone probably gets it with the A7III. I don't know why anyone would go out their way to buy this lens off the shelf on its own, but if you are that guy, it's going to cost you anywhere from $200 to about $400 in the States and about 150 to 350 pounds here in the United Kingdom. How does it feel? It's actually got quite a nice weight about it. I've had quite a lot of kit lenses before and they've all felt quite light and quite cheap. This does actually feel like a nice lens, and it comes with the nice lens hood which has the cutaways here. I think that makes it look like a more expensive lens. I think that's a really nice touch, so well done Sony on that. And it looks good when it's on too. Considering it's not got an internal zoom, it still looks very nice. There is one thing about this lens which is a complete and utter pain, and I don't know why Sony did it. It just bugs the hell out of me. But on the lens, instead of the focus being flush when it's at 28 and zooming out to 70, it sits flush in the middle, so you always think, like on any other lens, that you're at the, you know, widest setting on the lens when in fact you're in the middle, and it just winds me up so much. So why you did that, Sony, who knows, but yeah. The manual focus ring sits here, just at the front, in front of the zoom ring. It's nice, easy to use, feels good, is what it is. This lens has OSS, which is the in-lens stabilization, and when you pair that with the in-body stabilization on the A7 III, it does make quite a stable little beast for shooting video. Obviously not as stable as something like the Ronin S. If you're shooting handheld, it'll take out a little bit of the jerkiness, but it's a good combination, and when you use all three together, it does give you some pretty buttery footage. How does it perform with video? I actually think it performs really well. The B-roll section you saw at the beginning of this video was all shot on this lens. I shot it in Barcelona when I was there the week after I got this camera. At the time, I was still getting to grips with the camera, so I wasn't entirely sure how to expose the shots, but as a run and gun lens on a camera that's brand new to me, I think it performed pretty well. I got some really tack sharp shots, so it just shows that that's possible with this lens and on this camera. I would have liked it to have been a little bit wider if you want to try and do a vlog. In fact, we'll ask the question, can it vlog? If it had been something more like a 24, I think that would have been a little bit more usable. 24 is a perfect focal length, I think, for a lot of things, especially when you're shooting sort of wide. So I would have liked to have seen that. 70 is great, 50 is great in there. At 3.5 you do get a little bit of background. At 3.5 you can get a little bit of background, a nice little bit of background blur if you're shooting wide open, just as you would sort of expect. Thoughts on this lens? I'm in this position now, so I'm going to be buying all my Sony glass, and I think I'm actually just going to keep this one, and the last thing that I'm going to upgrade is probably going to be my sort of mid-range zoom. Where this lens becomes a real banger, I think, is for someone who's maybe doing well on YouTube, or who wants to upgrade to, like, you know, the next level with their sort of YouTube video making career, because the A7III and this lens come as a kit at a nice price point, produces some really sharp, crisp footage, and you can really grade it nicely if you know what you're doing, and you can vlog on it. As we can see, it's not as wide as I'd like it to be, but hey ho. And you can also get some really nice cinematic b-roll with it too. You can produce some really nice shots. So yeah, hopefully this has been helpful if you are thinking about upgrading, you just wanted to see what this is capable of, or yeah, any of those things. So please make sure to smash the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and yeah, next review I'll probably do is on some of the new lenses I get, and probably do a little review on the Ronin S too. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see you whenever I can be bothered doing another video. Peace!